And hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here on a little one of my favorite corners of my world is the uh, bags and shoes, but mainly shoes. I love shoes, and although I love bags, of course, more than shoes, I have been collecting a few, and these are not only mine, it's also my hobbies. And I would like to share with you guys spring shoes that have been my favorite and have been really, really great as shoes for spring and also transitional all throughout summer as well, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. All these sneakers and shoes, mainly general, of course, sneakers because I love them. I've been using them consistently, and they're like literally my go-tos and my favorite because they're easy to pair with a lot of things. And let's start with very spring, summer, a very transitional one because it could also be for fall, is my Ballet Flats right here. So this is the maroon one. I love this specific color because I do have the other one, which is the black toe cap and also a nude one, but I love this because I don't know why, but it looks great with white. And I've been wearing, as you can see, I've been wearing a lot of white lately because I enjoy the whole lace kind of silk combinations like that. And this one looks so elegant on it. It just has that a bit more elevated look with just this pop of color. And it has that classy vibe. So this comfortable shoes is not, it's not leather, so I like it because it's comfortable and breathable. It's just like Vivea, although this is not Vivea. This one is specializing in trendy women, and that's the brand of it. It's just great because they're the quality of the shoes are very good, and then the soft soles like this, these are the soles of it. It's very comfortable to walk on, and I could like literally walk with this one for hours in the mall. And if you could see that there's actually padding inside right here, that, and it just helps with the feet because a lot of people, when especially when wearing like leather ballet flats, it's not comfortable, you have to break it in. This one you don't need to break it in, and it's really, really good and a nice pop of color. The next one to that is this one. I'm not sure if I could ever find this again, but this is from Payless. Payless has so many great shoes right now. They even have like the same look as inspired by the Loro Piano one, the Summer Walk Charms, as well as the Kelly loafers. They have it, they have the design, the exact designs. It's just, of course, a different quality, probably, but they're great investments because you'll be able to use them. But advice to you guys, try to get the darker colors because they are mostly suede, I think, or like crushed velvet. And if you put that in like a muddy area, you walk in a muddy area or get it stained, that's not going to wash off properly unless you put it in a shoe spa. But that's why I wanted to suggest to you guys get the darker colors because they're still beautiful. But if you really like the lighter colors, then go for it. I mean, sometimes worn shoes actually look great. I mean, like Golden Goose, their shoes are it like intentionally dirty, but this one is very comfortable. So this is from the Step One Comfort series. They have beautiful comfortable shoes, and the sandals is very easy to transition with any of my outfits because this is an off-white color and I love it so much. I have it also in black, but this one is like the go-to for the spring season. It's fresh and really, really nice to pair. Speaking of classics, I am still a typical me that loves white sneakers, and with white sneakers, this has been the white sneakers of probably the for 3 months already. This has been the white sneakers that I love using because it's just elegant. The iridescent adds a bit of elevation to my outfits, especially right now also because my hair is like kind of a teal color almost. They kind of play with it, especially the whole lighting. It looks great with a lot of my white outfits as well as a go-to white shoes in general. Plus, the additional iridescent design to it gives it a bit more unique from the typical white sneakers. So, I'm elevating my white sneaker style, but a bit more design. But as you can see, I have a couple of white sneakers with similar tones. I just like the combination of white and blue tones or blue-green. And it's just a very, very easy to go pair with any of my outfits. And speaking of sneakers, I love running right now. Running, walking, because I really need to add a bit of steps to my routine, to my lifestyle, because I'm getting a bit of weight. And my go-to has been this one, the Camel sneakers. This is an affordable find. I know a lot of people are their go-to is On, but this is a nice dupe or inspired sneaker, because it's not technically a dupe, because Camel has been here for quite some time already. It's just not as known as On sneakers or the other brands, but this has been great. I even have the sturdy hiking sneakers for this, because they're really really good. They're sturdy. They have experienced so much of those rocky climbs that we have and experienced before. I really miss hiking. I wish I can come back. Right now, I'm still enjoying at least the Camel sneakers that I have. I opt for black because it's just easy to wear with a lot of my black workout clothes. It's just and also clean and easy to clean as well. But yes, I love the whole white and black design to it. There's an all black, I think, and they're just affordable. They're good. They're almost the same price as Payless. Sometimes they have great discounts that are cheaper than Payless, but they have the same quality. Because I've checked, because I've tried also white sneakers from Payless, and that one actually wore out more quicker than this one. So this one's sturdy, and this is also breathable mesh in the design of it. And speaking of the final one, the best, but of course it's a different color because it's not going to be neutral. But for me, it's like very easy as a colored shoe to pair with a lot of my outfits, and it's actually this one. And this is actually not mine. This is my mom's. So this is her Adidas sneaker. This is in green, suede, and white. I will try to link if this is still available right now in the Adidas official store, because usually they go on sale, and this one is one of my favorites. I love pairing this with a lot of my clothes. They are very, very easy. It just adds a bit more personality than opting for white sneakers. That's why I tend to lean towards it as well. They do have almost the same vibe as the simple white sneaker, but I do like the vibe of it. That's why I guess I love wearing Adidas sneakers, and I have a couple of them also, and I'm also using my mom's. This one is my favorite upon all her sneakers because they are the best, and I love them so much, and it's really really good. And that's basically it for the spring. It's just classic colors, colors that you can easily pair with, that is not going to, because you're going to spend for these. If you want to get these sneakers, their shoes, you're going to spend for them, and you really want them to be versatile. So I opt for colors that are easy for me to pair as well. And I do wear them. They're not just I bought them just to show to a video. No, I literally wear them a lot, and they're one of my favorite collections right now. And so I actually enjoy a lot of my other sneakers, but these are really, really easy to pair, these two. And this one is just a beautiful pop of color, especially if I want a bit more feminine to the style I'm wearing. And yeah, these are really great. And I'll link them all down below. Hopefully I can still find this, but if I can, I'll try to link down similar ones or things that are available right now in Payless that are worth the buy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!